What's up, guys? Coach Gaglione here. I wanted to go over a really easy way to cook the Give program salmon. Salmon's got a lot of health benefits, a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, a lot of good micronutrients in fish. So if you're not taking a fish oil supplement, obviously it's even better to actually get your nutrition from whole foods. So fish is great. Okay, so I got these tongs here. I'm using avocado oil for cooking, so I'm going to use these tongs here, as you can see, and it's going to be a nice, so I can give this a flip, and you can see that side is cooked, and then I can flip this side, and it's nice, and it's getting nice and pink. So a really easy way to cook the Give program salmon. It's coming out great. I'm cooking it low and slow, just a little salt, a little avocado oil, easy peasy, cook it in the pan. And that's how you cook the Give program salmon. So don't sleep in that fish. It's great stuff. If you want to support GaglioneStrength, if you want to support our gym, type GaglioneStrength at checkout and check out the links below.